Hey jumpers, Crossrope athlete Jenica here to talk about bodyweight exercises that you will see in the Crossrope app workouts. These bodyweight exercises will show up in the daily app workouts as well as the challenge workouts. So let's talk push-ups today. There are many ways to modify your push-ups, many different variations of the push-up. So we'll just talk about a few basics to get you started and you can build from there. Your typical classic push-up is going to have your hands placed on the floor a little bit wider than shoulder width, and you are going to bend those elbows as you bring your chest towards the floor and then extend those arms back out. Now you can do that full push-up on your toes. Just remember, keep that back straight, core engaged. We don't want our back to take over. We are working our upper body on those push-ups, so pushing down and back up, using our upper body to do the work. So if you aren't there yet where you can do a full push-up, you can drop down to your knees. On that knee push-up modifier, you do have to be very, very, very conscious and think very, very hard about engaging that core and using the upper body to do the work here. Don't let your legs take over or your back take over. You want to work the upper body on your push-ups. So an alternative to dropping down to your knees would be to do incline push-ups. So your hands are up on, say, as you start out, a very beginner, maybe on your countertop or your kitchen table. So you're almost vertical when you're doing those incline push-ups. And as you get stronger and build up that strength, you can move down to a lower object, like a weight bench or a few stairs up your staircase if you have them. A common issue with push-ups is wrist pain. So if your wrists bother you and doing any type of floor work for bodyweight exercises, they have little push-up handles that you can get where you hold onto the handle, so throughout your push-up motion, whether you're extended out here or you're keeping those arms in close, your wrists are staying nice and straight. So you can also use a set of dumbbells, as long as they have a nice flat edge so they don't roll away on you, to do your push-ups, and that will help keep your wrists nice and straight throughout that push-up. So core pulled in tight, back nice and straight, pushing up, down, and up. And if you like to do those tricep push-ups, bring those weights in closer, just about shoulder width apart, and keep those arms in close to your side as you do those narrow push-ups. Core engaged, getting that full range of motion. Chest all the way down, arms fully extended on the way up. If you don't have weights or push-up handles, you can do knuckle push-ups. That helps keep those wrists straight as well if you have any wrist issues. Pushing up, down, chest to floor, all the way back up again. So we are inhaling on our way down, exhaling as we exert all of that effort to push ourselves back up. And just like those wide push-ups, you can do your narrow push-ups from your knees as well. So drop to those knees, make sure you pull that core up in tight. Think back is straight, and I am using my upper body to do the work here. So going down and back up. Core engaged, and we're inhaling on the way down and exhaling as we push ourselves up. As an advanced modifier, you can elevate your feet so that your feet are up higher than your hands. So you could put your feet up on a weight bench or a few stairs up the staircase, or if you have a stability ball, you can do push-ups with your feet up on your stability ball. And you can also do plyo push-ups where you push up and clap. Super intense, lots of different variations of the push-up. Happy jumping!